What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Bailey, and today I have a super different video for you guys. I don't even know why I'm making it, honestly. So basically I got the new iPhone 12 Pro or whatever. I don't even know what it's called. I ordered that literally a month ago and it just came today, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I've been waiting all day just to film this so that I can like go set up the phone. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing, but obviously that would be pretty short because I don't really, you know, my nails are so grown out. Don't even look at them. After I unbox the phone and while I'm kind of setting up my new phone, I'm going to be answering some juicy questions for you guys. Answering questions about me and my life and you and your lives and high school and boys and girls, and I'm just gonna be answering a whole bunch of questions. Here's my new phone. Before I unbox my phone, I wanted to show you guys these two phone cases that this girl sent me. She has an Etsy shop and she has an Instagram. It's called Cases by Win, and she makes these little phone cases that are literally adorable. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom in for this part because this is everybody's favorite part. Here's the phone. Oh yeah. Let's see guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't even know what color I got. It looks white to me. It's almost like a pearly white. I have no idea what color this is. Oh my god. Stop it right now. Okay, stop. Look at how pretty it is. It's literally gorgeous. Stop. It's like metal all around it, like stainless steel, and then the back is like matte. Yup. I need to order a screen protector for this, effective immediately. $8 later, I'm gonna have some screen protectors on the way, probably in 2 days. I've never been like this impressed with the design of a phone. Like, it genuinely looks so cool, and I love how it's a square again. Why did I just look at it and say, why is there not a home button, when I literally don't have a home button on this phone either? Oh, I have to do the Face ID thing. Oh wait, I have so much makeup on. Is that going to affect it? Restore. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to go find like an iPad or something that I can log into Instagram on. Okay, I messed everything up. So my phones were like syncing so that I can set this up. And while I was doing that, I tried to log into Instagram on my laptop to see if I could read the questions for my story, but turns out I can't. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, I just kind of want to have like a little sit down talk with you guys. Like, I don't know how many questions I'll answer because like I'm tired. I just wanted to like, you know, catch up a little bit, you know, inform you on my life. Dang, there's so many fucking questions. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna start here. So, it's literally been probably 30 minutes. My camera battery died, but now I'm gonna answer some questions. Oh, some of these are good. Okay, so the first one says, do you plan on going into college? If so, what would you major in? I am planning to go to college. As of right now, my plan is to take a gap year. I honestly think that would be like the best thing for me, to take a gap year, focus on YouTube. I feel like that would be the first year that I really like focus on YouTube. I feel like if I were to take a gap year my freshman year of college and just travel and make content, and I feel like it would be super good, and then that would get me in a really good spot to be able to do YouTube and college, because I do want to go to college and I want to get a major in marketing or in public relations. I'm not sure yet. Are you gonna stay in Wisconsin your whole life? I love you. I love you too, and absolutely not. How do I get my teeth so white? Honestly, are my teeth even white? I like have used like Crest white strips, but I just recently got the I think it's like Kendall's. I think it's Kendall Jenner's teeth whitening shit. I don't know if it works. I don't think it works. It might work if my teeth are white, but honestly I think I just have naturally pretty white teeth because I don't really do anything besides like brush them. Do you have a bad period? I did have a bad period up until I started my birth control, which that's the reason I went on birth control, because my periods were so long, so heavy, so painful. It was terrible, but my birth control literally saved my life. I'm really only on my period for 3 days now, where before it was like 7 to like 9 days, like full bleeding. I'm sorry. But now like I really only bleed for like 3 days, and it's amazing. I also don't really have cramps. I get cramps on like the first day of my period, But besides that, I don't really have cramps anymore. Sorry, I had to shut my door because my dad is just making so much noise. Do you really like your brother? I think that's asking like, do I really like him or is it like fake? I do really like my brother. He's definitely my best friend in the whole entire world, and he has shaped me. Literally every aspect of me has been shaped by him. How many people have you kissed? See, I feel like this was asked in another video and I really didn't have a specific answer. I would say I've kissed like 16, 17, 18, 15, 16, somewhere around there, like high teens. Really don't know. Like I don't even remember. There's some questionable people on that list and I choose to block them out. So, any beef with other YouTubers? Absolutely not. I love everybody that I have met through YouTube and that I talk to from YouTube. So no beef here. Okay, I'm just gonna answer this because so many people ask me this. Are Noah and Reagan still together? They are unfortunately not together anymore. It was really, really hard for a really long time. It's still really hard for me because you guys know how close I was with Reagan, and it was really tough, and I definitely feel like I was part of the breakup and I really couldn't like say anything because if I said something to Reagan, I felt like I was going behind my brother's back, and if I said something to Noah, I just felt like it was just so weird for so long. But I still talk to her a little bit and I still love her and I still trust her with my entire life. Someone asked, how do I say I'm on my period to a boy teacher? Honestly, from my experience, guy teachers just like, they are used to it, but they still get uncomfortable and they'll just be like, okay, like go. They'll be like, oh okay, like you got like I feel like I've only needed to tell like one guy teacher, honestly, and it was because he literally said I couldn't go to the bathroom and I was like, what'd you just say? I was like, see, that's not gonna work. Like, unless you need to tell him, can't you just like go to the bathroom if he doesn't? I don't know, but just be like, hey, like I have to take care of something, I have to take care of a personal issue, and like give him those eyes and he'll be like, oh, okay. Do I like anyone? Yes. Best advice you've ever been given? This is really, really hard. Hold up. I'm not sure what the best advice I've ever been given, but the best advice that I can give you guys is to truly stop and like stop moving so fast. We're all sitting here like waiting for the weekend, rushing to get to the weekend, rushing to get to the next break that we have in school, rushing to get to summer. We're always rushing and it's not worth it. It's literally the stupidest thing you can do. I used to be like, I can't wait till I'm this age. I can't wait till I'm this age. I can't wait to be old and like I can't wait to be my own person, and that is all great things. Like you can be excited, but don't let the future take away from the present. As soon as you start focusing too much on the future and not living in today, you're gonna miss so many great things. It's seriously so stupid. Like life got so much better for me when I started literally appreciating even the worst situations. I was like, well damn, that situation sucked. However, this happened that was kind of funny. This happened that was kind of funny. This happened that was kind of like cute. You know, you have to realize that everything going on around you right now, there's something good. And normally people don't focus on those little things because we're so caught up in our own heads. However, those little things are what make every day so good. So honestly, just focus on the little things and don't get too ahead of yourself. I'm sorry, I just read this question. If my friend Elise is watching this, which there is a 99.9% chance she's not, this question, I want to screenshot this and send this to her. It says, why do I stop liking a boy once they like me back? I actually have a theory. It's not even theory, it's fact. I have factual information that I can pull out. Basically, I don't want to say that I've done this, but I've done this and this has happened to me, and it's honestly really, really, really bad. You're liking this person for so long, trying to get their attention, trying to get them to like you back, and then all of a sudden they're like, oh yeah, I like you too. And you're like, wait, do I even like you? You hit your friends up and you're like, I don't even like them. This is because we love the chase. Believe it or not, girls more than guys love the chase. I feel like a lot of times guys will chase girls. However, in those particular moments where a girl is chasing a guy and she doesn't make it too obvious, I'm literally restating my stop. If you're one of my close friends watching this, you're gonna be like, Bailey, yep, you tell him. You tell him how you feel. In those situations where a girl is chasing a guy and she isn't making it too obvious, but she's like definitely, you know, trying to do something. And everybody knows, everybody is aware, but the guy isn't seeing it for what it really is, or the guy is choosing to not acknowledge it, or the guy is choosing to be a little piece of shit. I'm speaking from personal experience, but I'm also just speaking because I've seen a lot of TikToks about this, and I've talked to friends that have like gone through this. The girl or whoever's chasing whoever won't stop until they either get so fed up or they get that validation. And it's all about validation. It's literally all about the validation. Say I'm chasing a guy for so long and they're showing like either no interest or like interest only sometimes, or whatever the situation is. If I'm chasing that guy, at least for my personal like personality, I know that most guys are not worth my time. I know that. I'm not saying I'm above all, but I know my worth, and I think that's super important for everybody to realize, that you're not worth someone that's not going to put in effort. You know what I mean? You're not worth someone that's not going to give you the time of day. So I know in my head that I don't need whoever I'm chasing. However, there's something in my brain that's telling me I'm going to eventually get this validation, and that's what's going to just be like a reward. He tells you he likes you back finally, and you're like, ding, 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 I got the validation, but I don't even like him. I just wanted the validation. That's my very complex explanation of why you stop liking boys after they like you back. Pancakes or waffles? I would definitely have to go with waffles, I think. Do you have a boyfriend? Yes. I'm finally coming out to you guys. Y'all have been waiting for that one for months, haven't you? Do you think pineapple belongs on pizza? I'm gonna get back talk for this one. But yes, I think that pineapple on pizza is superior, and you can tell me otherwise, but you cannot tell me otherwise unless you've tried it, because literally 80% of the people that have told me pineapple on pizza is bad have not even tried it. How do you get through high school? Babe, I'm still working on it. Are you a virgin? Why would y'all assume otherwise? This video is literally all over the place, and I've popped in and out 18 times now. This time my camera didn't die. What state would you date someone from except for Wisconsin? Honestly, I don't think I would do that unless I met somebody in person, like say on a vacation or something, and we like immediately clicked and I thought that that was the love of my life. But I wouldn't like date someone just by knowing them over like Snap or anything, because one, my like love language, you know, that like quiz, is physical touch, and I literally cannot be apart from people. My camera's definitely crooked. No, but like I need to be with people. Like I could not do long distance. I literally couldn't do it. At least a decent amount. Like I don't need to be with them all the time. Like I think that personal space is extremely important, and you cannot be seeing the same person every single day and expect not to get sick of them. I'll literally be hanging out with Leo and we'll spend like 4 hours together, and then he'll leave, and literally like 30 minutes later I'm like, can you come back? I don't think I could date anybody from out of the state. How do you know that you have good people in your life? I think you know that you have good people in your life when you honestly start loving yourself. I think that if you have bad people in your life, it'll cause you to dislike yourself and have issues with yourself. But if you have good people in your life that are doing good for you and adding something to your life, not taking something away from your life, then I truly think that you will learn to love yourself through the people that you are around. And that's at least what happened to me. Do you drink/get drunk? What is the hardest part about being a girl? I honestly think that the hardest part about being a girl, set aside from all of the physical attributes such as periods and cramps and random pains that we feel just in our stomach. I swear to God, every girl I've ever talked to just gets like random pains. Like they're always in pain. Besides that, I think that like the media and the way that it portrays how we all should look is probably like the hardest part, because all day you're scrolling through and you're seeing these perfect girls with perfect bodies and perfect skin and perfect hair and perfect eyes and perfect teeth and a perfect nose, and you stop and you look at the picture and you look at yourself and you're like, I look nothing like her. And this girl is getting hundreds of thousands of comments telling her that she's beautiful, so it's hard to believe that you could also be beautiful when people consider her to be like beauty. I definitely struggle with that, but I learned to realize that life is way too fucking short to worry about literally anybody but yourself. If you are able to block out what other people think and what other people say and what other people do, honestly, you will get to a point where you can look in the mirror and truly love what you see. Obviously, there's gonna be days that you don't like parts of you, but at the end of the day, you can look in the mirror and see what you see and sometimes not be happy with it, but still be confident and love yourself. That is literally the ultimate goal. But yeah, I also don't want to discredit like guys' insecurities and guys' standards. I think it's not talked about enough, and I just want all the guys watching this, if there's any, I want you all to know that your insecurities are valid and your feelings are valid, and you can be insecure and you can talk about it because it's perfectly normal. Literally every human being on this planet has insecurities. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know that I don't even know what it was. Just, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something about me. I hope I maybe helped some of you. I love you all so much, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.